What's up, KB Squad? My name is Vibra, the V, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a back handspring. So before we get into this video, like, comment, subscribe to be a part of the KB Squad, because it's free. Why not? Yeah, and comment what you want to see, comment what you thought of this video, comment if it helped you. And yeah, so this is how to do a back handspring part 1, the preparation or preparing. There's going to be 3 parts. Part 1, preparing. Part 2, attempting. Part 3, improving. So I know, like, when I look up tutorials, like, there will be like 2 minutes tutorials like, Becky, how am I supposed to learn how to do a back handspring in 2 minutes? Tell me how. I'm going to get into this video. So this is the preparing part. So this part is like mentally. Again, sorry for the cars, I'm outside. The first thing is you cannot be scared. I know you heard this 1,000 of times. I know you're going backwards. It's something new. But you cannot be scared, because then you won't. There's a chance you're not going to get it. And trust me, you're not going to fall. You're going onto your hands. Your hands are going to save you, okay? And even if you're just on plain grass, it will not hurt, okay? And what does get people hurt, or what does make them fall, is because they're scared. So they're scared, so they're like freaking out in the middle of the flip and not focusing on what to do, so it goes crazy and they might fall. But you won't get hurt if you're not scared. Number 2, the second thing is commitment. You cannot just practice once a month. You have to do it over and over again. You have to practice over and over again to really get the skill. Okay, I do not know anybody who've gotten in their first time, okay, or at least perfect in their first time. No one can do it perfectly in one practice, so you gotta be committed and try your best. Now we're getting into preparing physically. So the first thing you have to do is stretch before you attempt it. Stretch and warm up, okay? So stretch, do a couple of stretches and do a couple of jumping jacks, okay? Run around, you know, get your muscles warmed up. Now the second thing is drills. I'm going to show you a couple of drills or exercises to do to prepare to do a back handspring. This is the stuff you'll do before attempting it, okay? This is why it's part 1. So yeah, I'll show you these drills and tell you why you should do it and how it helps. The first drill is the shoulder blocks. You need to do this because when you're doing a back handspring, you're pushing off, you're springing off your hands, well, more your shoulders. So you don't want to bend your hands. So you're not going to really be bending your hands, so you won't need that. You will need your shoulders. And to practice springing off your hands more like your shoulders, the shoulder block. So you need to do like 10 of these and do like 2 repetitions. So you're basically in a push-up position and you're jumping, I guess, but instead of bending your arms, you're using your shoulders. So like that. See how I'm not bending my elbows? And try not to use your toes, because you can push off your toes, but just really try to push off. So you need to do 10 of these, well, more like 20. This also helps with your abs because you're squeezing so you won't collapse. But yeah, so do those. Next thing is for your abs, your core, to stay strong and not be loose and all like that, so you can be tight and it looks good. You need to do planks. You need to do about 20 to 30 seconds of planks. So this is what a plank looks like. You're on your elbows and your toes. Just hold it and really squeeze. The second thing is to build your strength. I said you're not really springing off, but just a little bit, and you will still need to hold yourself up. So you will need to do handstands. So if you can't do a handstand, then you really need to build your strength, okay? So first you need to be able to do a handstand and at least one push-up in a handstand against the wall. But the exercise or drill is push-ups. So yeah, you know what push-ups are. We all despise them, but we gotta do them. So. Yeah. Let me go get my paper that flew away. The next thing is to build your quads, your muscles in your thighs, so you can, you know, push off and get that momentum to do a back handspring. So you just do squats, have your feet apart, and go about 90 degrees. Keep your back straight and come up like that. You need to do, oh I forgot, do about 7 to 10 push-ups and do about like 15 to 20 squats. You need to do calf raises because you are using your calves to push off and to go into the back handspring, because you're going on your tippy toes, then you're swinging up to jump. So I'll show you what those are. Basically, you're going on your tippy toes fast and then coming down slow. So fast, slow, fast, slow, fast, slow. So you need to do about 15 and then 10 on each leg. Up fast, down slow. Up fast, down slow. And you can hold on to something. The next thing is kind of to help the same thing to when you're jumping, because when you're jumping, you're not jumping straight up, you're jumping out, so you're jumping like this. So the drill is basically you doing that. So push back. So act like you're swinging into it, bend your legs and push back. And where you're pushing back, you also need to go get a little height. So you're just, that's the drill. Do about 20. Maybe place something down there and try to jump over it and far back. So yeah. Okay, so the last thing I want to say is you won't get it right away. I kind of already said this. But just be prepared to be a failure. I'm just kidding. Be prepared to fail sometimes. Be prepared to fall, to not get it. Just keep on practicing and trust me, it will feel so good once you do it. So don't give up, because you have potential. Everyone has potential. They just have to practice and work hard. Thank you guys for tuning in to KV Television. See you guys next time. Yeah, watch out for part 2. Don't forget to do all those drills and stretches and warm-ups, okay guys? Do this every day for like a week, okay? And then you can start attempting it. So yeah, see you guys later.